After the DJI Osmo Action 3 was introduced a year ago, the DJI Pocket 3 is yet to be seen. DJI chose to introduce the DJI Osmo Action 4 as its newest action camera. The robust and compact design is still present in this most recent version, but it seems like DJI is this time totally focused on making the Osmo Action series a real rival to the GoPro Hero lineup. Ever since it was released last year, the GoPro Hero 11 Black has dominated the action camera market. Now contends with a strong competitor in the market. As a new and intriguing task presents itself, let's explore a thorough comparison to identify the best option for your requirements. Let's start with the design. Both cameras share the familiar and conventional form factor of action cameras, showcasing striking similarities in their dimensions and weight. While the DJI Osmo Action 4 boasts a slight advantage in terms of being marginally lighter and more compact, the practical disparity in size and weight is unlikely to be noticeable during regular usage. It's only in scenarios involving drone attachment that these nuanced differences might come into play. Both models exhibit a robust construction, purposefully designed to endure impacts and jewels. Both cameras also offer the convenience of replaceable lens covers, avoiding users the ability to easily exchange them in case of scratches. Notably, there's a tactile distinction between the two in terms of housing texture. Hero 11 features a rubberized exterior, while the Action 4 opts for a hard plastic composition. Moreover, the Osmo Action 4 employs a clever magnetic latching mount system for swift attachment, and once secured to its base plate, it seamlessly interfaces with the same range of accessories. On the opposing side, the Hero 11 features fold-out tabs on its base, facilitating compatibility with an extensive array of accessories and mounts from both GoPro and third-party producers. While both approaches to mounting are commendable, our inclination leans toward DJI's innovation due to its efficient adaptability when transitioning between mounts, particularly after acquiring a few base plates.
Want to earn money? You have no idea about trading? No problem. Here is Hilton Meta FX. If we are talking about benefits, you can earn profit 1 to 3% with AlgoBot Daily and 2 to 5% with SuperBot. Not only that, you can earn 10% from direct refer and 80% from team generation income. At last, you can earn royalty income also. Here is the team level bonus. This is rank and monthly income. Royalty income. Why your invest is secure here. You can withdraw your invested amount anytime. You can withdraw your earning money 24/7. Your investment and profit will be deposited into your Meta MT5 wallet. Many people are earning here a huge amount of money. Here you can see all proofs here. Still afraid? For more details, join our WhatsApp group. Link is given in the description box. And I have given my Hilton Meta link in the description also.
Both action cameras sport large touchscreen panels on their rear surfaces, accompanied by smaller front-facing screens. Notably, the front screen of the Action 4 not only offers a display function, but also serves as a touchscreen interface, allowing users to fine-tune settings directly. In the arena of resolution and frame rates, the Hero 11 Black takes the lead, enabling impressive shooting capabilities at up to 5.3K at 60 FPS, and up to 2.7K at 240 FPS. In contrast, the Osmo Action 4's pinnacle performance caps at 4K at 120 FPS, with the option to drop to 1080p for 240 FPS recording. However, the Action 4 leverages a significantly larger 1 and 1.3 inches sensor compared to Hero 11's 1 and 1.9 inches sensor, rendering it remarkably proficient in low light conditions, particularly in nocturnal settings. The Osmo Action 4 stands out unequivocally, surpassing the Hero 11 Black across all aspects of performance. Both cameras provide the capability to capture 10-bit color and offer flat color profiles, tailored for post-production color grading. Furthermore, they present an expansive field of view, albeit with distinct methodologies. The Osmo Action 4 employs a broader lens yielding an ultra-wide field of view with a touch more linear distortion. On the other hand, the Hero 11 Black's Hyperview utilizes software wizardry to compress the 8x7 sensor into a 16x9 frame, resulting in a unique form of distortion. Both implementations offer pleasing visual results, boasting comparable expansiveness. The choice between the two essentially comes down to personal preference. When it comes to capturing images in daylight, Both these cameras excel in delivering exceptional image fidelity, albeit with nuanced differences in appearance. The Hero 11 stands out with a slightly more vivid and saturated color rendition as the default setting, while the DJI counterpart presents a more natural aesthetic, accentuated by a modestly elevated contrast. Both interpretations exhibit visual appeal, leaving the choice between them down to individual aesthetic preferences. Hero 11 Black introduces a distinctive attribute: the ability to record in an almost square 8:7 aspect ratio, which can subsequently be adapted into both vertical and horizontal clips, ideal for social media sharing. In contrast, the Osmo Action 4 lacks a parallel feature, but it compensates with the capability to record and mount in a vertical orientation, using its inclusive mounting frame. Both cameras provide impressive in-camera stabilization, ensuring steady footage during recording. Furthermore, both offer the flexibility to enhance stabilization further in post-production through software tools like Gyroflow. It's noteworthy that this particular feature was absent in the Osmo Action 3, making its inclusion in the Action 4 a highly welcomed advancement. Determining the superior stabilization system between DJI's Rocksteady and GoPro's Hypersmooth is a challenging proposition. Both technologies excel at mitigating camera shakes to deliver remarkably smooth footage. While it's worth noting that the DJI camera seems to exhibit a marginally enhanced capacity for stabilizing low-light content, potentially attributed to its larger sensor, the performances of both systems remain closely matched in well-lit conditions. Both cameras offer a comparable array of features, encompassing functionalities such as time-lapse and hyperlapse modes, live streaming capability, webcam usage, and seamless integration with companion apps. However, each camera stands out in distinct aspects. The GoPro app, while presenting a remarkable suite of capabilities, does limit access to certain features via a paywall, which could be a source of frustration. Nonetheless, the majority of frequently utilized features remain accessible at no extra cost. A notable highlight from GoPro is the ingenious light painting mode, enabling the effortless creation of animated time lapses, involving individuals sketching in the air with sparklers or luminous sticks. Regrettably, such a mode is absent from the Action 4's repertoire. GoPro also offers the advantage of overlaying your video content with GPS data, showcasing details like speed and altitude. Although the Action 4 also offers this functionality, it mandates the use of the GPS Bluetooth remote accessory, an additional purchase price at $79. Regarding battery performance, the Action 4 boasts a robust 1770 mAh extreme battery, while the Hero 11 Black is equipped with a 1720 mAh Enduro battery. Although the Action 4 holds a slightly larger battery capacity than the Hero 11 Black, we anticipate that this marginal variance may not significantly impact practical usage. Also, you can buy both Action cameras for $399. Short, the DJI Osmo Action 3 and GoPro Hero 11 Black stand as premier contenders in the current action camera landscape, deserving serious contemplation for those seeking a robust compact device. In terms of sheer image quality, the GoPro Hero 11 presents impressive color and high-resolution capabilities. On the other hand, the Action 4 has a larger sensor, which is great for low-light environments. Also, you will get a larger battery in the Action 4. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.